Assalamu alaikum viewers. We are in the sixth lectures of accounting cycle. This is the English versions of video lectures regarding the accounting cycle. I am Dr. Safdar Husain Tahir, Associate Professor, Lalpur Business School, Government College, University, Faisalabad. I did postdoc from UWA Business School, the University of Western Australia. Now look at the 10th transactions we have already made in the previous lectures. These are the 10th transactions. Okay, the first step is the generalization, and we move toward the second step, that make T accounts. So in this lecture we will learn how to make the T account. The first is the generalization, and the second is the ledger, that is the T account and running balance. In this video, we will only discuss the T account. These are the transactions we have already made. Count the transactions, how many accounts in these transactions. Certainly, there are 12 accounts, like cash, owner's capital, office equipment, delivery vans, account payable, furniture, note payables, computer and software, security system, shop shelves and delivery units, and inventory. These different ledgers accounts in these transactions. This is the first registers of accounting, which is called general journal. How to make the T account? The first is the cash one. Make a T shape and then write a cash. Similarly, make a T shape and then write a owner's capital. Similarly, this one the third T account. This one the fourth T account. This one the fifth T account. This is the sixth one, and this is seventh T account. This is eighth building T account, building ledger, and this is computer and software T account, I mean ledger. This is the 10th security system T account. This is the shop shelves display unit. This is the inventory. So how many accounts in your journals are now we convert into their T account? So there are 12 different accounts, different titles, so we make the T account from these titles. I think you can understand how to make the T account from the journal. Count the journals and then make the T account. Thank you so much.